私の名はゴア、地球の征服者だ。
マグマ大使。
どうしたことじゃ。
アース様、何でしょうか。
不思議な胸騒ぎがするのじゃ。こんなことは初めてのことじゃ。マグマにもしものことが。モル、地球へ行け。
はい。
Use it, please.
I did. It didn't work. Methuselah's weapon is now useless. Withdraw, Goldar. Something has gone wrong. The monster is no longer affected by Methuselah's new invention.
Goldar, report back to Methuselah. Tell him that.
I will.
Transforming back into rockets, the three return to their base.
I want you to remain hidden until I'm ready to execute my alternate plan. What they don't know yet is that Zena has been replaced by something far stronger, which gives you energy. Before Methuselah can discover an invention to defeat my newest weapon, I will have conquered the Earth. Until then, I want the Earthlings to think you've disappeared. Now go!
ご心配をおかけしました。何事もなくてよかった。お前にもしものことがあればとモルたちに言ってもらったのじゃ。
What's this?
When I attacked the creature, a piece of it stuck to the rocket. I didn't know it was there.
You hit Goldar?
Yes.
Perhaps you can study it. Yes. This could very well tell me what Rodak used as a substitute for Zena.
Hello. How are you, Kita? Mura, it's good to see you. The creature's missing. The authorities looked for the monster but couldn't locate where it's hiding.
Then Rodak has an alternate plan that he's thinking of using.
That's also my opinion, Mura. I wonder where he hid the monster.
So do I. I'm going to check and see if it's possible that the people at the complex think as we do.
Uh-huh.
We usually think alike. I'll take the car and see you back at the office.
Did you also know that Goldar couldn't defeat the monster?
It wasn't due to the temperature. Rodak's trying to launch something.
See what you can learn at the Army base.
Right. The last place the monster was seen was in this area. However, Goldar fought Goldar here. This is rather strange. Now, how could Goldar travel so many miles without being seen? Ah, hello there. Tom Moore's here. He's with the news service and enters with permission. How do you do, man? I came because the creature's hiding. Yes. I was just discussing that with the men now. I'm trying to learn the position of the creature. Then, you know nothing about the monster?
Oh, Methuselah.
Where is Gam?
Checking his equipment.
Good. I'm afraid you'll be seeing a lot more action.
Methuselah, Goldar is the strongest monster I have ever fought against. I'm not sure if I can beat him. He continually seems to get stronger.
The monster comes from Zephyr in the Narco Galaxy. Zephyr is due to burn up because it's getting too near its own sun. It is the law of the Narco Galaxy that when a planet ceases existing, all its inhabitants cease to exist as well, no matter where its inhabitants are.
Then the monster has a time limit.
That's right. This means Rodak is counting on something big before Gordar's time expires. We have to learn what Rodak's alternate plan is and delay it.
I understand. If we can delay Rodak's alternate plan until that planet's eliminated, then Goldar will cease to exist.
That's exactly right. This means Rodak will be hurrying. And I'm sorry to say I have no control over Rodak's decision.
There has to be a way.
There might be a way. I've been giving that thought too. However, we must make sure that Rodak cannot hear.
How do we make sure of that, sir?
Rodak has sensitive instruments tuned in on us. We've got to get him away from this area.
I understand. Silvar, transform into a rocket and decoy Rodak away.
Good idea.
Look! It's Silvar! Hurry, chase after her. Make sure she doesn't see us and find out what she's up to.
Meanwhile, Goldar mysteriously leaves Mount Olympia and heads toward outer space.
It's most important that Zephyr is destroyed sooner than scheduled for destruction. The power who could arrange it is my leader at headquarters, Goldar.
Is that where we're headed, sir?
That's right. The two of us are headed for my planet Lodar, 1 million light years away from the Nastrix galaxy. There I will seek permission from my leader to destroy the planet Zephyr ahead of time so that Goldar can be eliminated. Goldar, it's the only way we can halt the alternate plan. Such a plan can destroy the Earth, and there's very little time left. Do you realize that?
Yes, Methuselah. I see your planet Lodar in the distance.
My leader's decision will determine whether or not the Earth survives. Go faster, Goldar. I would like a discussion with our leader.
Ah, you've been expected. Please enter this way, Methuselah.
Come, Goldar.
Yes, sir.
It's good to see each of you. I've heard the mighty Space Avenger and yourself have done good things for the Earth.
Thank you.
You're very kind, sir.
I'm sure everyone here knows Methuselah. I sent him to Earth because the planet was in danger of Rodak's invasion. He's done a fine job so far, and I'm very satisfied.
Thank you, sir.
The Space Avenger has assisted well and fought Rodak's creatures. I'm very proud of Goldar.
Thank you, sir.
Toka, I wish to ask you a favor.
You want me to eliminate the planet Zephyr ahead of schedule. I know. Due to the fact that Zephyr is a planet that is inhabited with evil creatures, Zephyr is headed for destruction. I therefore give permission for the planet to be destroyed. If I don't, the future of the Earth is at stake due to the monster Goldar. I won't destroy Earth. It's a good planet.
You are as wise as you are good, Toka.
Now return quickly to the planet Earth, since you are needed. I will shortly destroy the wicked planet Zephyr. Now go.
There's Methuselah and Goldar. Chase them! You allowed them to return to their base. Something is very strange. Methuselah has never left Mount Olympian before. Methuselah is planning something. I just know he is. All right, then. If it's action he wants, he's going to get it. Goldar, I want you to start destroying everything in sight. Move quickly, Goldar. My alternate plan is now underway. I want you to start by evaporating the water in the oceans, then erupt the biggest volcanoes you can find. I want you to cover the land with fog so that nobody will be able to see a thing. Get that?
Hey, Umbuda.
Rodak's monster was sighted destroying everything. We're reporting as you planned. I want everyone ready to launch an attack. The monster's not to get near the military complex. Rodak's alternate plan has already begun.
村上さん、スクランブルは消し体を編成したそうですね。ああ。パパ。村上さんも行くんですか？
何しろ今度のことは僕にも責任があるんでね。いきなりマグマ大使をニューヨークへ呼んだのは僕なんだから。その結果ゴアの作戦に引っかかってしまった。
村上さん、僕も行きます。
いや、何も二人とも行くことはないよ。もし万一のことがあったら後を頼む。
バカな。村上さん、そんな友人ってあるもんですか？
Papa, please let me go.
Miko, you promised me you'd remain here.
But I can do a lot more there.
Ah, perhaps you're right.
Now remember, Miko. Promise to take good care. You hear?
I promise.
Don't forget.
You ready?
Yes, Papa. I promise to help any way I can.
You all know what is at stake. I don't have to tell you what will occur if we lose this battle. We'll approach as follows. Jets will take off from this area. The planes will proceed eastward to the location of Goldar. The ground force will then follow up the air attack. Let's hope Goldar doesn't hurt our planes. All right, men, attention! To battle!
incoming.
All units, attack!
Advance. Let's go.
Right!
The monster is gaining. All of our weapons are useless.
We need Gammon, the Space Avenger.
Fight, Goldar!
What's the matter? Please come, Goldar. We need you right now. Come on, Gammon, Goldar.
Let me go. Miko needs me. He's calling. Let me go, Mother.
You know you can't be Gorda. The monster will only hurt you.
I don't care if the monster destroys me.
Gam, don't say that. Goldar.
Gam, your mother is right.
Goldar,
Yes, Methuselah.
we're not defeated yet.
We're not. What do you mean?
Toko just told me what to do. Watch. That is a time ring. It has the power of advancing Zephyr 100 years ahead of its time. Throw it at Gorda, and Zephyr will explode. Hurry, Goldar.
Yes. Let's go, Gam.
攻撃を続行せよ続行せよ
Nothing hurts it. Miko! Miko, take cover!
Papa, Goldar, Silvar, and Gam didn't hear the signal.
Miko!
They came.
Goldar, you cannot destroy the Earth. Get ready.
Let's go.
Easy, son.
price for listening to Rodak. He is evil and wants to conquer the Earth, and you have helped him. I have come to destroy you so that Earth can be saved. It's too late for you to run.
I've got to get this shot of Goldar running.
It's all over for you, Goldar. The time has come for your destruction.
It's gone. We're safe, Papa.
Oh.
Zephyr is now destroyed. Goldar, isn't that right?
Yes. Those who do evil eventually pay the price. In the case of the planet Zephyr, its inhabitants had to be eliminated. The Earth is practically destroyed, Goldar. What I have in mind now is going to cause the destruction of the Space Avenger as well. Our job is done. It's time for us to go home. Come, Silvar and Gam.
Bye, Miko. So long. Thank you, Goldar.
You're welcome. Goodbye, everybody. Come along, Gam.
Yes, sir. Take care.
So Rodak's spaceship was detected with this radar device, General.
Yes, Mura. It was designed to cover space at distances of trillions of light years.
We're prepared this time. Anywhere that Rodak travels is recorded.
聞いてください。今日こそゴアの息の根を止めてやりますよ。
It disappeared.
I knew we would locate that ship again.
Disappeared from the radar screen.
We'll trail Rodak from now on, no matter where he goes.
Attack!
Descent is good. Altitude is satisfactory.
Approaching the spaceship. What? So, the Earthlings think they can destroy my spaceship, do they? Well, they're in for a big surprise. Yes, sir. I can't understand how the Earthlings located us. Their present scientific equipment cannot cover such a range. Could the Earthlings have invented something new? But that is impossible. Human beings are stupid.
The missiles did it! We damaged the ship! That's great!
We did it! Oh, the new radar equipment is just what we needed. I agree. Now Rodak is all through.
Well, so the Earth is finally quiet for a change.
Certainly was easy for Rodak to be beaten. Too easy, the way I look at it. Sir, do you think Rodak's destroyed?
I hadn't been expecting Gam.
Nico!
Has something happened?
Yes. Goldar and the people at headquarters are talking.
They are?
Goldar was sent with detailed instructions. I'm positive they're talking about luring Rodak.
I don't understand. Why should Methuselah feel that Rodak is still alive, Goldar?
Rodak is highly intelligent and he cannot be trusted. That's a dangerous combination. Methuselah fears that Rodak put your missiles to use for his own purposes. Rodak wants us to think he was destroyed. Be careful. He may suddenly try something and catch you unaware.
But we're sure we hit his ship. We are all certain that we saw the explosion in the air.
That's right.
I'm curious. Are you sure it didn't happen as we say? Then it isn't necessarily the truth. We'll look for Rodak just in case. But anyway, thank you for your time. Since there's no way of proving it, we take it Rodak's been destroyed.
I warn you, stay alert. Rodak is no fool. He wants you to think the way you are thinking.
Cap, let's go back to the base.
Transforming from robots to rockets, Goldar and Gam return to Mount Olympia.
Papa, it's possible that what Goldar said was right. I'm almost positive Methuselah wouldn't say that unless he was certain that Rodak is alive.
So the Earthlings are actually convinced that Rodak was destroyed. One of the worst characteristics of Earthlings is the fact that they're so stubborn. The only way they'll be convinced that Rodak's still alive is when he attacks.
I agree, sir.
They don't understand that Rodak has powers that Earthlings don't possess. They think that if Rodak's spaceship explodes, it is like an Earthling ship and that everyone perishes.
You're very sure that Rodak is still alive, aren't you, sir?
Yes, I am.
Then the Earthlings' missiles were actually useless, weren't they?
Exactly. The Earthlings don't know this, but there isn't a weapon they possess that can destroy Rodak.
Methuselah, can anything beat Rodak?
You're the only one who might do that, Goldar. But I'm not sure who is more powerful, you or Rodak.
We will soon know.
Yes, when you two meet, you'll find out. And I think Rodak is looking forward to that challenge.
So, those stupid Earthlings think they've destroyed me, do they? Well, have they a surprise in store for them? Their weapons are mere toys! When will they learn that I've guarded myself against any conceivable thing they can ever think of?
Sir, our instruments have detected some strange waves in the air. We believe it has originated from a powerful radar unit.
Radar? So that's how the Earthlings located our spaceship so far from their planet. Interesting. Get ready to launch the fireballs!
Fireballs ready for immediate launching, sir.
This is the first of my surprises. Fire! And so begins the campaign I thought about ever since Goldar defeated Goldar. The Earthlings will cringe when they find out what I have yet to do. This will be their reward for not surrendering Earth to me.
Charlie to Starship. Charlie to Starship. Have sighted black formation ahead at 12 o'clock. Closing in to investigate. Black formation confirmed. Black formation confirmed. Unidentified substance approaching fast. Closing in further for closer examination.
Yes?
Yes, sir. I understand.
What's
Right
that?
away.
When did this occur?
I see what you mean. I'll be right there.
Yes. Right.
Of course. Describe what you saw.
Something very strange just happened. 3 jets suddenly disappeared.
Huh?
The jets were on a routine course, and suddenly they were gone.
Then we'll have to consider the aircraft destroyed.
The last words recorded were a black formation.
That sounds unusual.
I agree.
Oh. What do you make of it, Mura?
I don't know what to say. It is unusual.
Take a look up there. Look, sir. They attacked our pilots.
What? Where is it?
Look, it's approaching the city.
Strike 2. You struck him out, Miko. On 3 pitches. That's the stuff. Run! Go! I got it! Look at that. What are you talking about? What's going on here? Hey, fellas, look at that. What is it? What are you talking about? What do you think? Over there. I want to look. What is that? Hey, what is that up there? Let's get out of here. Let's go. Run. Duck down. Oh, look, they're insects. Like a kind of beetle. Look there. You're right. Thousands. What are they doing? They're eating it.
There are bugs that cause things to disappear.
I already know. Mora has been assigned to cover that story. A concrete and grass building's been reported gone, and there are other disappearances, and there's nothing anyone can do about it.
What? It's useless?
That's right, Kita. It is useless. We can't control the situation unless we learn what will stop those insects.
I see. I'll check with the lab. Oh. Sir, did you hear that? The bugs are eating our building.
Sir, the insects you brought from the Turu galaxy have reached the cities of the Earth. Good. When the insects have destroyed the cities, move them to the farmlands. Yes, sir. In the meantime, I want to attack the international complex as quickly as possible. I'll order the attack immediately.
But why? Oh. Rodak's alive, and it's his doing. It's part of his master plan to conquer the Earth.
Is it Rodak's work?
The insects are devouring the world.
Kita means the bugs can eat anything, which is exactly what they've been doing for the past 2 days. That's the story, sir. We have to destroy those insects quickly.
Then Rodak's alive. There's certainly no question about it.
Yes. Rodak is executing his master plan. You see, sir, Goldar and Methuselah are only trying to prepare us for an attack.
Sir, we sighted the insects.
They're here? Mora!
Fire!
Gab!
From the fiery heart of Mount Olympia comes Gam, the robot rocket boy.
I heard your signal. We're being attacked by insects. Bugs attacking? The bugs are eating the city. Rodak has launched a full-scale attack.
You know what I think? Rodak will want to attack the international complex. They should be warned today of that attack.
Uh-huh.
Right now, there's a lot of shooting going on. I can hear it with my instruments.
Wait. Killing those bugs is hopeless. Commander, the insects are attacking the complex. What? Stop that attack. They're destroying our radar.
Papa!
You brought Gam to help. That's good. Gam, try to do something.
All right. Nico, let's go.
What are you going to do now? Can you destroy the insects?
I don't know, but I'm willing to try anything I can think of if I have to.
Gam, I was just thinking of something. Their hideout. They must hide out.
You're right. Destroyed that, and we destroyed them all at once.
Uh-huh. Ah, look at that. The bugs landed and hid in the bushes.
That might be their hideout. We'll land and follow them.
Bugs are by the water.
Uh-huh. Miko, let's go.
Damn, I hear something. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Damn.
I see it, Miko. What a monster. Run!
Hold on.
From the fiery heart of Mount Olympia comes Goldar, the Space Avenger.
Miko, hang on! Oh, look at that creature! My father's here!
Come on.
Get up and fight. Occupied, Goldar, while the insects make the earth disappear.
Gab,
I see it, Miko. What a monster.
Rodak!
My new monster Nardo will keep you occupied, Goldar, while the insects make the Earth disappear.
Goldar was right. Rodak just hid for a while.
Now that you've seen my new monster Nardo, you realize that you'll have to fight harder than ever, Goldar.
Goldar!
There's a new monster.
What are we going to do now? That new monster's dangerous.
Rodak has a plan. We'll have to be on the lookout, Goldar.
Rodak seems very confident about this monster. It must have more powers than his other creatures.
Uh-huh.
I want you to tell the authorities about Rodak's new creature. The Earthlings in this area must prepare for an attack.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Transforming into a rocket, Goldar returns to his base in Mount Olympia.
Commander, radar doesn't pick up insects.
The situation looks hopeless. I really hate to admit this. We don't have a weapon to combat those insects.
You're right. We'll just have to wait for Dr. Reed to arrive from New York.
Dr. Reed? I didn't know the scientist was coming. Yes. They cabled he'd arrive today. It was stated Dr. Reed knows how to combat the insects.
Oh? He has a new weapon?
It has a connection with shock waves. It's very powerful. When he arrives, our scientists will be instructed on how to use it.
Cheetah, we found the insect's hideout.
These are the woods Miko's talking about. And you say Rodak's newest creature, Nardo, struck at this location as well?
Yes.
My opinion is turning into fact. There is a connection between Rodak's newest creature and the insects.
All right. Start attacking them.
Are preparing to attack the insect's hideout.
Yes, I know.
You know?
What the Earthlings don't realize is that I know everything they do. Now you'll see how useless their weapons are against Nardo and the insects. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What? What happened and when? Huh? Missiles?
It's useless.
Commander, an invasion of the bugs. Our tanks are disappearing.
Earthlings. My insects are capable of devouring any matter.
It's awful. We can't do a thing. Missiles are no good against the bugs. We just have to wait for Dr. Reed, that's all. I guess we can only wait. Huh? What's that? Look, sir. What? There, on the wall.
That's a bug over there.
It's not the real bug. It's a detector. Rodak heard everything. And of the weapon Dr. Reed is bringing.
That's right.
It's sending out sound waves. Then it's true, all right. Rodak is probably waiting for Dr. Reed to arrive.
Cheetah, Rodak has always been one step ahead of us in our attacks.
That's right. We've been fooled. The bugs planned their attack when we attacked. Commander, you should demolish that entire area. You should also issue orders to warn Dr. Reed at once.
He's quite right. I'll do that immediately.
Hello? Yes, Gita. What was that? When? Right. Thanks for calling. Listen to this. Rodak has known everything that was ever discussed at the International Complex.
What? Well, how did they learn this?
By locating a detecting device on the wall. Rodak knows Dr. Reed's coming to this area.
I'd better meet the doctor.
Hurry.
Way to meet Dr. Reed. Do you want us to destroy Moore's car, sir, before he reaches the pier?
No! I'd rather take care of Dr. Reed in Moore's presence. When Moore sees what powers I have, he'll report it to the world through his wire service.
Very wise, sir.
Tell the insects to get ready for another attack.
What I have to figure out is how those insects get their energy. That is of prime importance.
I agree, sir. The insects have the strangest power I've ever seen. They're capable of consuming steel and glass.
I have to discover the secret of the insects before it's too late.
Sir, I've been thinking, could their energy be connected to their hideout, which is in those woods?
I will consider it.
Sir, I'd like to check out my idea. Would you please tell me it's all right?
Yes, I give my permission.
Be very careful, Silvar.
Yes, Goldar.
It looks as if we're just in time. Let's check the area for signs of danger. Right.
Ah, Papa, there she is.
She's on schedule. Now stay alert.
Uh-huh.
Rodak could have sent his local men to catch the boat at this pier.
Look up there.
It's the monster coming this way.
What's that? Are you trying to tell me that Dr. Reed is not on that ship?
He either switched ships, sir, or changed his name. Our agents were able to secure the passenger list. Dr. Reed's name is not on this list. We've checked and rechecked it. We're positive we haven't made any mistakes, sir.
Let me see that list. Idiots! You gave me the information in the first place that he was on that ship. You've got to find out where the doctor is. If you don't, you'll all be food for the insects. Is that clear? Wait. I've got an idea.
Silvar transforms from a rocket to a robot.
It looks like vegetation from space.
Dr. Reed wasn't found with those who were hurt on the ship, Kita.
Oh. I don't know what to say, sir.
To tell the truth, neither do I. I don't recall New York telling us about a switch in ships when we talked.
Oh. Now that I think about it, he might not have taken a ship in the first place.
Oh. Editor speaking? Ah, yes, Moore. What? Are you certain? I see. Wait a second. Right now, Dr. Reed's at the complex with the commander. Huh? Is the doctor all right, Mora? Ah, so he was flown here, is that right?
He chartered a flight and landed alongside the complex. He's now in good hands. At 8:20, he anticipated Rodak's knowledge and now tricked Rodak. All right. I'll stay in touch with you. Well, that certainly was an intelligent move. It's good to see you. By the way, I just want to say that we have further good news. Dr. Reed's invention has given us hope. He's increased the intensity of shock waves, which we'll use in our next attack. We should destroy Rodak's insects by tomorrow.
We haven't tested the weapon yet.
We'll test it tomorrow.
Then tomorrow, you'll see. Sir, this telegram just arrived. It's rather urgent.
Dr. Reed has altered his schedule. He will arrive in this area by noon tomorrow. He has chosen to enter this country secretly in a sub. He's here.
An imposter. I spoke to the doctor. Dr. Reed's on that submarine.
Really?
That's right. We checked it. You are an imposter, and we'll prove it with a blood test.
He's an imposter. Rodak's playing tricks. I'm the real doctor. I don't care what he said. You believe me? Tell them, Mr. Mora.
Why are you so sure this isn't the real doctor?
I'll answer that. Because the Dr. Reed I spoke to knew the secret code.
I'll find out. You're a fake. My antenna always feels static electricity whenever I touch an earthling.
Listen.
Thank you for telling me exactly what I wanted to know. So Dr. Reed is in a submarine, is he?
Watch out! That's a time bomb!
Goldar! I sent Silvar on a mission, and I haven't heard from her at all. I hope nothing went wrong. I think you should try to locate her, Goldar.
But if I leave here, I won't be able to hear Miko's signal should the Earthlings need me. Rodak's monster Nardo could strike at any moment, and the insects might join Nardo when it attacks.
Goldar, don't worry about that. Miko's signal will reach you through our transmitter. I suggest you leave here as soon as you can. Your duties may require you to be in more than one place at the same time. Yes, sir.
Transforming into a rocket, Goldar leaves his base in Mount Olympia.
Submarine 201. International Complex calling Submarine 201. Come in, please. Come in, please.
Submarine 201 reporting. Submarine 201 reporting. Over.
Submarine 201, you're to change your route of entrance as an extra precaution for the safety of Dr. Reed.
Safe. I guess Dr. Reed's safe on the submarine.
We'll have Goldar in hand this time.
Mm-hmm. The sub should arrive here tomorrow around 6 in the morning. Its course was altered and the sub is now coming to this area through the Straits.
At least we're sure Rodak doesn't know Dr. Reed will be getting off the ship at Lighthouse Charlie. It'll keep security tight and give us less to worry about.
6 in the morning at Lighthouse Charlie. So that's their plan, is it? I think I'll set a surprise reception committee to honor our most welcome guest. Now listen closely. I want you to put my undersea plan into immediate effect.
Yes, sir. I'll tell everyone to start preparing at once.
And remember, you're to wait until Dr. Reed actually sets his feet on land before the button is pressed. That way, I think the results will be far more interesting than starting it while he's underwater.
I'm in pain.
Who did this?
It's those vegetable plants. They're Rodaks and have been growing in this area. The plants give the bugs their strength.
So that's it.
Thank you. Destroy them, Goldar.
My weapon has no effect on them.